This video will show you how to block websites in your computer without any third-party application, using Windows hosts file. Now let's get started. In your Windows computer, navigate to C, Windows, then System32. Then Drivers, then etc. There you can find the host file. Copy the file and paste it to other location in your computer of your convenience. In my case, I'll just put it on the desktop for easy access, then open it with Notepad. This what you can see inside the hosts file of your Windows. Now, just edit the last line and replace the word localhost with the website you wanted to block. For example, www.youtube.com. Then save it. Then copy the host file you just edited. Then paste it back to its original location, which is the etc folder. Then click on Replace the file in the location. Just click on Continue. This time we will try to browse on the website we just blocked to see if it really works. Now you cannot access youtube.com. Let's try another website to check if I really have internet connection in the first place. I can access google.com. Therefore, what we did was working. If you want to block more websites, just repeat the procedure. Open the host file. Then just add another line at the bottom. Key in the website you wanted to block. Then copy and paste it again to its original location. Then click on Replace the file in the location. Just click on Continue. Then let's try it again if it's working. Now google.com is not accessible anymore. If you want to restore or remove the website you've blocked, just open the host file again with Notepad. And delete the lines you added, or just put a hashtag symbol at the beginning of each line if you don't want to delete it. Then save it again and copy it back to its original location. Now Google is back. If you have some questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.